And disability is a phenomena which is been decided by the society. ये therapy, you go to speech therapy, you go to OT and all. There are therapies are available, but it should the children should get the therapy which is required.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Health First Special. So today we are with Dr. Jayanti Pujari ma'am.
At present is a professor and director, Amity Institute of Rehabilitation Science, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh. Before joining Amity University, she has held distinct positions in the field of education and has served the underprivileged strata of the society with reference to children with special needs. She has more than 30 years of experience in this field. Her areas of interest are special education, inclusive education, rehabilitation science, research methodology, psychology and teaching learning process.
A warm welcome to our channel ma'am.
Thank you.
Can you tell me about your background, your experience? अभी तक की जर्नी में कोई challenges अगर आपने face करे तो क्या है? Please discuss with us.
Yeah. I am a student of psychology. I have completed my post graduation in psychology, and that time there were no training program on disability.
Okay.
Disability they were only telling the disability खाली जैसे कि रहता था, visual impairment रहता था, hearing रहता था, जैसे कि deaf, blind and mental retardation बोला जाता था तब. So I was very much interested in the disability field because in my family, in a distant family relation, there is a child with Down syndrome. So I was very inquisitive that what is this Down syndrome and all. And it so happened that I got an opportunity to work in a premier NGO.
Wow.
That is based in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Those time that was one of the best NGO. And out of my interest, out of choice, I joined as a special educator there.
Wow.
Those time in 90s and all.
Okay.
So I started my career as a special educator, and I have just thought that I will work for some time.
Okay.
But till today, last 33 years, I worked with this.
Wow, wow.
And तो जैसे कि मैं उधर join करी, then I started taking interest in them. And those time कुछ ट्रेनिंग नहीं रहता था. And जहाँ मैं काम करती थी उधर time to time the organizer they used to conduct training.
Okay.
And we used to get enriched by ourselves. And I was very much interested in working with them, directly working with them. So then I started working with them, and as a research officer, I was a tinge of research. I try to find out many things, how teaching strategy, and then how early intervention. I worked for early intervention also. So how can they can be integrated? Those time the integration used to be there. And slowly when the bachelor and master came, I have also my training in master.
Okay.
In special education, then also I have PhD in special education.
Wow, wow.
And that's all. And now I'm a teacher trainer. I prepare competent teachers for the disability field. And I'm very interested. I feel that this lifetime will be less for me maybe to work for these children.
नहीं मैम, इन बच्चों के लिए आप जितना करो उतना ही अच्छा, और एक ब्लेसिंग ही मिलती है एक पेरेंट्स की कि you are doing very well.
And now also I feel like working with, like when I was a special educator, that time the inclusion का era नहीं start हुआ था इंडिया में. तो now I feel that really I miss that era, that I could not work with them. मैं उनके साथ काम नहीं कर पाई. अभी if any time I get a chance, I want to work in a school as a teacher for inclusive education.
अमेजिंग मैम. मैम आप थोड़ा करंट स्टेट जो डिसेबिलिटी राइट्स का है या फिर इंक्लूसिविटी है सोसाइटी में, उसका कुछ क्या ओवरव्यू है, अभी क्या सिचुएशन है उस चीज़ की?
जैसे कि इंडिया हैज़ ट्रैवल्ड फ्रॉम द चैरिटी बेस्ड टू राइट बेस्ड मॉडल. एंड जैसे कि इंडिया इज ए मल्टी कल्चरल, मल्टी लिंगुअल, मल्टी सोशल कंट्री. देयर आर इन डिफरेंट स्टेजेस. अलग अलग स्टेजेस में अलग अलग टाइप ऑफ इंक्लूजन है. अगर एक तरफ से हम देखेंगे, इट हैज़ कम फ्रॉम आवर स्क्रिप्चर. हमारा पुराणों से दूसरे से आया हुआ है. देन मतलब जो रूरल एरिया में आप देखोगे दैट इज स्टिल ए इंक्लूसिव सोसाइटी नाउ ऑल्सो. बट नाउ सिंस लास्ट 2.5 decades, मतलब 25 years के करीब बहुत सारे चेंजेस आया है. एंड डिसेबिलिटी इज ए फेनोमेना विच इज बीन डिसाइडेड बाय द सोसाइटी. सोसाइटल वैल्यू, जैसे कि सोसाइटी उनको कैसे देखता है, इसी तरफ से डिसेबिलिटी का फेनोमेना है. जैसे कि अगर सोसाइटी फाइंड्स कि इनका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो नहीं है, दे आर ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू ए अर्बन and metro cities and all, those problem becomes more because the like there are it comes as a the societal factors. And अगर हम देखें इंडिया में, इंडिया हैज़ वेरी वेरी प्रोग्रेसिव लेजिस्लेचर. बहुत सारा लेजिस्लेशन जो बना हुआ है वो बहुत प्रोग्रेसिव है. एंड मैं तो ऑलवेज मैं बोलती हूँ कि हम बहुत सारा मतलब वी हैव डन ए लॉट फॉर द इन इंडिया, वी हैव प्रोग्रेस्ड ए लॉट. जैसे कि मैं आपको बताई, मैं स्पेशल एजुकेटर ज्वाइन हुई थी. उस टाइम में इट वाज ए ड्रीम दैट हम सोचते थे, जब वेस्टर्न कंट्री से पीपल यूज टू कम एंड टेल अस कि हमारे कंट्री में ऐसा होता है, सेल्फ कंटेंट क्लास होता है एंड चिल्ड्रन विद डिसेबिलिटी दे स्टडी इन नॉर्मल स्कूल. हम लोग सोचते हैं कि इज इट पॉसिबल इन इंडिया, बट टुडे इट इज़ ए ड्रीम कम ट्रू. एंड जब आप राइट्स के बारे में बोलते हो, देयर आर मेनी राइट्स. सभी को पता है वी हैव कम थ्रू डिफरेंट राइट्स लाइक PWD एक्ट हो गया, देन मेनी एक्ट. एंड देन व्हेन UNCRPD हैज़ कम, UNCRPD हैज़ मेड अस टू रिप्लेस द PWD एक्ट एज राइट to persons with disability act. We focused more on the rights. Persons with disability को rights तो ऐसे जैसे कि human rights जैसा है, उनको भी वो rights है, but it get violated because of the social norms. जो society जैसे देखता है उनका rights उधर it affects their disability conditions. इसीलिए बहुत सारा rights उनको deny किया जाता है. So when a legislation comes, we feel that it is there is a binding factor, that there is a like a compulsory binding factor. So people also get into it, and the right is been given to the persons with disability.
Okay. So what are the recent advancements and development in the field of disability rights and accessibility की अगर हम बात करें तो?
Yeah. जैसे कि ये अगर हम देखें कि व्हाट आर द चेंजेस इज बीन टेकन प्लेस इन दिस लास्ट, 2 main phenomena is coming. One is inclusivity and other is accessibility. Inclusivity has started from the Right to Education Act, where there is a compulsory education, and it has reformed with UNCRPD and RPWD Act, and still reformed with the NP 2020 inclusion. And now there are like no zero rejection policy and no child is denying any education. When we say that, and when we work towards the inclusive education, it was found that the accessibility is the most important factor which is hindering their inclusion. तो इसीलिए accessibility पे ऊपर भी बहुत ध्यान दिया गया. And as we know that Sugamya Bharat and UDL Universal Design of Learning चला गया. And but in a simple term अगर हम बोले accessibility क्या है, जैसे कि अगर हम घर में suppose for an example in a joint family there are children, there are elder people, there are younger generation and all. जब हम कुछ घर में कुछ डिशेस बनता है, सब्जी बनता है, तो बच्चों के लिए निकाला जाता है कि मिर्ची ना रो. यंग पीपल के लिए थोड़ा ये वाला रहता है, फिर एल्डर पीपल के लिए थोड़ा स्मूथ किया जाता है. तो दैट इज क्या, नथिंग बट वी आर मेकिंग एक्सेसिबल फॉर सेम थिंग, वी आर एक्सेसिबल फॉर एवरीबडी, मॉडिफिकेशन कर रहे हैं. ऐसा एक्सेसिबिलिटी इज नॉट ए वेरी वेरी ग्रेट थिंग, but depending upon the demands, suppose a child is not able to sit in a chair, you make some arrangement whether the child will sit comfortably. That is accessibility in a very very simple way. But हम अगर accessibility in the टोटल लाइफ स्पैन हम बात करें, जैसे कि देयर शुड बी एक्सेसिबिलिटी इन फिजिकल एक्सेसिबिलिटी, देयर शुड बी एक्सेसिबिलिटी, सोशल एक्सेसिबिलिटी, देयर इज like accessibility should be everywhere, workplace, employment, training, everywhere accessibility which will promote inclusivity.
Yes.
Hostel facility available for children with special need, autism, learning disability, intellectual disability, Down syndrome and other disorder. Only at Holy Heart Special School in Dwarka, More Delhi. Learning today, leading tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. How can we promote a more inclusive and accessible environment for special needs in various settings like education, employment, public places?
Yeah. When we see, जैसे कि हम देखते हैं लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ ए चाइल्ड विद डिसेबिलिटी, फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विथ एक्सेसिबिलिटी, फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विथ द प्री स्कूल एजुकेशन, then total education, higher education, then vocational training, then employment, then quality of life, the resettlement of the life. So everywhere there is accessibility is required and inclusivity is required, and it helps like it when there are many legal provisions. There are people nowadays, if you see in India, in many metro cities, in everywhere India, there are people are working towards the accessibility, giving them accessible material, giving them accessibility physical infrastructure, then giving them in the work vocational training, making simplified training, and also including them in the work place by providing different materials and all.
जैसे मेट्रो में आप येलो टेक्टाइल देख रहे हैं तो that is for blind people.
Yeah, tactile path.
Tactile path,
And
yes.
nowadays in the metros also there are marshals who are helping the persons with visual impairment getting in, getting out, and there are many things there are audio, there are video. In all the infrastructure, there are multimodal escalators. Then
Lot of signages also.
lot of signages and sign languages. And in every, if you see in the train and all, everywhere there is braille letters. So India is definitely attempting to making everything accessible. And I have also traveled, मतलब बाहर भी मैं देख के आई हूँ. We feel that India is far behind other countries, but it is not true. India also is working in the same way. Of the बाहर भी जितना होता है हमारा इंडिया में भी इतना हो रहा है, but the awareness among the fellow citizenship is little lacking. That's why maybe if there is the right type of awareness will be created, and we will definitely achieve an inclusive society and accessible environment.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So, can you discuss about the impact of technology, innovation of the lives of special needs?
Yeah. Technology is a boon, sometimes we'll say, but we should not make it as a bane. It is a boon. When we start, like initially, if you see the incidences of the birth hazards, like that time there were a lot of technology was not there for the pregnant ladies. And nowadays, if you find from the pre-conceptual time also, technology is helping them to give birth to a healthy child. And then after that, the early intervention. We are preventing the primary prevention, because there are many, you can see the cochlear implantation, there are speech language, there are corrective surgeries which were not there, and Down syndrome, and then genetic disorders are very well diagnosed in preterm also, which were not there in the technology. If I am seeing the younger age group, फिर जब आप जाओगे थोड़ा एजुकेशन में, then there are many educational tools which is helping the children. There are many which is making their life simpler, educational simpler, then assistive devices. and assistive devices is helping them to get included in a society. Many assistive devices are there for different disability, and which is helping them in getting included in the society. And if if you see health condition, then we can see different corrective surgeries, different like for the now if you see the for assistive devices for visual impairment, जो blind हैं उनके लिए इतने सारे assistive devices है, like screen reader, then how to identify money, how to translate the book into accessible materials, and so many assistive devices helping them in excelling their education and training.
तो टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रही है.
टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहा. एक तो फॉर द हेल्थ कंडीशंस, करेक्टिव सर्जरी, प्रिवेंटिंग द प्राइमरी डिसेबिलिटी, and then helping the secondary prevention, like giving them an assistive technology for their, and if you see the persons with cerebral palsy, persons with hearing impairment, persons with visual impairment, there are so many assistive devices for them. And if we go for the developmentally disability, like children with intellectual disability, autism spectrum disorder, learning disability, there are so many apps now. There are so many e-learning has been, and if you, no one will, like हम जो कोविड में देखे हैं कितने सारे e-learning बच्चों को मतलब इतना engage करे हैं because of the technology only it is, and it has reached far and wide, even villages. The मेरे colleagues जो कि साउथ के विलेज रूरल एरियाज में भी कोविड के टाइम में काम करे हैं, we have seen that they have made one library of iPad. Like there will be some 10-12 iPad which has been donated by some corporate, and they used to give to the poorer family कि आप लोग ये लेके अपने बच्चों को ये सिखाओ. तो ये टेक्नोलॉजी only can be possible in this way.
yes. हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम कैसे बेटर मीट करता है स्पेशल नीड्स की बच्चों?
Yeah. Health needs are similar to, like persons with disability का health need is similar to the health need of the दूसरे लोगों जैसे भी health need है, but additionally थोड़ा ज़्यादा health needs उनका है depending upon their conditions and depending upon their medical condition, depending upon their social conditions, health needs are there. एंड इंडिया में भी बहुत सारा मतलब सपोर्टिव लेजिस्लेशंस आर देयर. आयुष्मान भारत है, देन निर्मया इंश्योरेंस स्कीम है जो कि नेशनल ट्रस्ट देता
मतलब इंश्योरेंस बच्चों के लिए है,
बच्चों के लिए है. एडिप स्कीम से जो कि इनको हेल्थ के लिए हेल्प भी करता है. एंड अदर देन दैट नाउ डेज लॉट ऑफ अवेयरनेस हैज बीन क्रिएटेड इन द हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम. Every rural area में, other areas में, there are separate sessions for the doctors to how to identify, how to diagnose, and what are the different referrals and so. Initially क्या होता था, this person जैसे कि कुछ disability जैसे कि they thought that ये लोग normal से अलग हैं, तो पहले they used to go to a doctor. And doctors को भी पता नहीं था what is it. तो दे यूज्ड टू सेंड फॉर द MRI, CT स्कैन, ये वो बहुत सारा उनको मतलब स्क्रीनिंग कराते थे. देन दे यूज्ड टू कम एंड आफ्टर द पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू शॉप फॉर इधर 2-3 डॉक्टर के पास जाते थे. देन दे यूज्ड टू कम टू ए स्पेशल एजुकेशन सेंटर. बट नाउ डेज द हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग दैट द रेफरल इज बीइंग मेड डायरेक्टली, एंड ऑल द हॉस्पिटल्स आर, दे हैव बीन आइडेंटिफाइड टू गिव द डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट. सो ये एक बहुत अच्छा जो स्कीम्स एंड पॉलिसीज़ है इंडिया का, ये बहुत अच्छा है. पेरेंट शुड एक्सेस ऑल दी स्कीम्स एंड दे शुड गो फॉर द UDID कार्ड ऑल्सो, विच विल रियली गिव द ऑल द हेल्थ केयर टू द चिल्ड्रन. मैंडेटरी हो गया UDID कार्ड, एंड दे आर ट्राइंग टू द मेक द प्रोसेस वेरी स्मूथ फॉर UDID कार्ड. जैसे कि पेरेंट्स का बहुत कंप्लेंट रहता था कि UDID कार्ड्स इट इज़ टेकिंग 6 months, 1 year, even 2 years. बट नाउ डेज दे आर ट्राइंग टू मेक द प्रोसेस सो स्मूथ सो दैट वो लोग इजीली एक्सेस कर पाए.
इंडिया वर्क कर रहा है बट ठीक है, थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा बट
थोड़ा
बहुत
टाइम
अच्छा.
ये सभी प्रोसेस नया कोई भी चेंज के लिए तो टाइम लगता है, तो ये प्रोसेस इनको इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. बट डेफिनेटली आई सी दैट विद इन अनदर 1 decade the healthcare system will be so good that their quality of life of persons with disability will definitely.
नहीं, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि डॉक्टर्स को नॉलेज मिले और आगे जाके इजी
And
हो
there
जाए
are
स्पेशल बच्चों के लिए भी.
many training programs for the doctors also. There are many, and they are trying to include it in the medical
field also.
education also.
It's amazing. So, can you shed light on the mental health challenges that special needs may face, and what support is available for them?
Yeah, mental health challenges are many because there are, if you go for the जैसे कि blind or
Yes.
Hearing impairment, they know that they are going under stress and all. एट द सेम टाइम अगर आप देखोगे कि चिल्ड्रन जैसे कि स्पेक्ट्रम में हैं और इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी हैं, स्पेसिफिक लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी हैं, they also sometimes they go under the stress condition which give rise to the different mental health conditions. तो ये condition mental health challenges तो सभी को आता है, but to identify the mental health challenges and to get proper support is very important. तो इसीलिए because of this there are in all the schools there are counseling centers. In all the, and there are many hospitals are there who is giving counseling, and for the different type of disability there are different counseling centers. Support systems have been established in the school education, in the college higher education by UGC, and even in the all the hospitals. And it is not only the children with disability, their parents, their caregivers.
Parents have also stress.
To take care of them also very important, because they are the primary caregivers of them. So for them also there are many courses also have been devised for the caretaking courses, like triple CG programs where like students are given training in how to take care of the caregivers. So there are many, and mental health challenges is add to the disability. So all the professionals, parents भी इसको identify करके जो professionals इसमें काम कर रहे हैं, they also must identify कि what are the mental health challenges this child is undergoing, and proper referral करना बहुत जरूरी हो गया है आजकल. And I am sure that once it has been identified, they are coming out of the mental health challenges, and they are focusing on their respective education and training.
पेरेंट्स को भी अपना बहुत ध्यान रखना है कि अगर आप बच्चे की टेक केयर कर रहे हो तो यू आल्सो हैव टू कोप अप विद योर मेंटल हेल्थ चैलेंजेस.
एंड एक चीज तो ऑलवेज पेरेंट्स मस्ट कीप इन देयर माइंड दैट दे शुड हैव राइट एटीट्यूड. ऑलवेज दे शुड हैव राइट एटीट्यूड. दे शुड फोकस ऑन द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ देयर चाइल्ड. एवरी चाइल्ड इज यूनिक. इवन वी ऑल आर यूनिक इन आवर ओन वे. तो वही माइंड पे रखना बहुत जरूरी है कि पेरेंट्स ऐसा ना सोचें द सेम थिंग उनका दूसरे बच्चे में अगर भी वो लोग देखे तो दे डोंट गेट टेंस, बट व्हेन दे सी इन द चाइल्ड विद डिसेबिलिटी कि ये हो रहा है, दे गेट वेरी टेंस.
नहीं, अगर हम नॉर्मल बच्चे की बात करें तो वो भी तो शैतानी करता है,
बट इनको ये लगता है कि ये बिहेवियर प्रॉब्लम है, ABA थेरेपी को लेना है. ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत सारा चीज पेरेंट्स ओनली दे कैन सॉल्व इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग द चिल्ड्रेन like a compartment, like you go to ABA therapy, you go to speech therapy, you go to OT and all. There are therapies are available, but it should the children should get the therapy which is required. Not all the therapies they don't require, which is required at that time only they should take this.
So what are the common challenges or barriers special needs face today?
Children in education.
Yes.
Yeah. With so many progressive legislation, so many training programs, and so many collaborative effort of different ministry. सभी मिनिस्ट्री में भी बहुत सारा मतलब सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट में बहुत एफर्ट कर रहा कि हाउ there will be a inclusive society. But still then there are lot of challenges. Many challenges a child with special need faces. And like we are telling inclusive education, when a child comes to a, it is ऐसा नहीं है कि child को admit करा दिए तो inclusion हो जाता है. No, not like that. And अभी भी जो right to persons with disability और NP भी advocates कि child should get education where it suits the child. बहुत सारा देर आर लॉट ऑफ डिबेट्स आ रहा कि अभी जैसे कि इंक्लूजन आ रहा तो हम स्पेशल स्कूल क्या ख़त्म कर दें कि स्पेशल स्कूल ना रहे, एवरीबडी दे विल गो टू ए इंक्लूसिव स्कूल. बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. लाइक it is depending upon the child's need. Suppose a child is improving in a special school. So if the child parents feels that it is, the law say that they should go to the school according to the child's choice. So if a child is improving in a special school, the school readiness has to be developed in a special school. Okay, so that is the mindset of a parent कि नहीं हमें regular school में admit कराना ही है. That should go. So if you feel that the child is not improving in a regular school, the challenges are so many which has to be removed, like the behavior problem, communication training, pre-academics, all these things. Or suppose the child's challenges are so much that child needs functional academics, functional training. So they should go to a special education so that the functional training will be given to child and the child will be happy. Ultimately हमको क्या चाहिए? The child has to be happy and live happily in a not dependent life. Like nowadays everybody is advocating on independent living. Independent living is not that कि आप किसी के ऊपर depend ना करो. ऐसा we all depend on each other. For everything we depend on each other. So independent living is not that not depending on others, but living according to your own choice. When you ask that what is independent living life for a child, for a person who is wheelchair bound, the wheelchair bound person will say that independency is for me to mobility, isn't it? For a child who is not like having some visual problem, they will say that independency for me is that when I can read independently and all. So when we are seeing the challenges, there are many challenges. It is from the society, it is from the administration, it is from the teacher group, it is from the peer group. Everywhere challenges are there. But I feel by seeing all the teacher training and all these things, I feel it can only, we can remove the challenges by spreading the awareness.
Yes.
Properly.
Awareness बहुत जरूरी
Properly.
है.
Like awareness, like अब अभी everybody spreads awareness. If you go to any school or anything, there's an awareness creation campaign चल रहा. ये नहीं है कि आप एक पोस्टर लगा लो, आप एक रैली कर लो, आप एक लेक्चर दे दो, अवेयरनेस क्रिएट हो जाता. नहीं. Unless the citizen of India, unless the stakeholders, they feel from the heart. So how they will feel from the heart? If they will see a success stories, if they will see a child with a disability has succeeded in an inclusive school, they say that this is the awareness. Yes, everybody can, they have the potential to improve.
बट मैम बच्चे के ऊपर होता है ना कि वो कहाँ तक जाएगा,
कहाँ तक जाए. वही भी है कि वही मैं बोल रही हूँ कि all parents should not think कि all children will pass 10th class, 12th class and go to higher education. It depends upon the child potentiality. How much the child's potentiality is there. जितना वो कर पाए, वो achieve करे, that is more than enough. Yeah, and that is the quality of life. जैसे कि we all are different. I am a teacher, you are a entrepreneur, like that. It is different people, different, they have different choices, different like their life settlement goals. So depending upon that, we can take the goal of the child and they can be successful in those areas. I have seen there are children who were been treated as vegetables. They have been given good training and they they are contributing to the family. Like I have seen one person who is very good in what is that? He was very fond of taking photos and all. That child has been trained by a professional, and now he is a very good working photographer and all. Like different depending upon the, and nowadays so many options are available. If you see, and in Amity also, when I am working also, I see there are initially, like I can tell you, 5 years back there are 5 or 6 students per year used to come for higher education. But now it is like I can tell 10 times more, 50 students. Like till today I have seen in Amity there are different disability who are students, they are coming for higher education. Nearly 48 students have already taken admissions. Like because we have a disability board, we जब भी वो लोग आते हैं admissions के लिए, higher education के लिए, Amity doesn't never denies admissions, but we give them a like platform to voice out their supports. What are the supports they require? So every educational institutions they must include these children by giving the proper support. That is the challenges. Inclusive educations are there, but proper supports नहीं आ पा रहा है. तो proper supports अगर stakeholders provide करें तो definitely they will.
नहीं, definitely बहुत improvement आएगी.
जैसे कि आप पूछे मुझे what are the different challenges? Challenges are in physical challenges, social challenges, educational challenges, family challenges. And there are challenges in independent life.
चैलेंज तो है ही, बट आपको कॉप अप करना है उसके
Cope up करना है only by creating awareness in the right attitude and by taking out the potentials of the child and giving him the proper direction.
Yes. So what are the some promising initiative or policies that aim to improve the life of special needs? कुछ ऐसे promising initiative हैं या कोई policies हैं जो इनके बच्चों के लिए?
इंडिया में बहुत सारा है. सुगम्य भारत जो है, सुगम्य पुस्तकालय है. Then there are many policies which helps them in healthcare system, early intervention, preschool education. Then assistive devices, they are providing assistive devices to improve their education. Free distribution of assistive devices. ADIF whole of India for the different disability, they give free distribution of assistive devices. That is a very good initiative by India. And then teacher training, इतने सारे teacher training, monitoring the teacher training. Then cross disability approach, जो आजकल की जैसे कि teacher का they are getting एक type of disability में they are train हो रहे. But when they are going to the school, they are finding different children with different disability. So how to cope up those type of children? Delhi Directorate also giving many training, and there are many cross disability programs also are there. And now also National Policy of Education also, our new education policy also has given lot of initiative for equity based education, equality, equity and inclusivity education. And I think in another 5 years there are a lot of changes.
नहीं, होना ही चाहिए, और डेफिनेटली इंडिया तो बहुत कर रही है और भी करेगी डेफिनेटली. कैन यू डिस्कस द रोल ऑफ एजुकेशन इन प्रमोटिंग इंक्लूसिविटी, एम्पावरिंग इंडिविजुअल विद डिसेबिलिटीज?
Role of education. Education is power. Education by the professional teacher training, other professionals, and also educating the children with disability also very important. Like when we are telling that जब हम बोल रहे हैं कि educating children with disability, then how? There are many options are there. If you go in there are curriculum adaptations, there are alternate curriculum, there are assistive devices, there are many provisions by CBSE, UGC and all. So there are free and compulsory educations also, and preschool education. So all these things are aiming to empower children with disability. So once they are educated, they will be meaningful citizens of India, and by seeing them, the stakeholders also, they will change their attitude, their right attitude they will develop, which will promote social inclusion and total inclusion. And education, the role of education is immense in the field of this thing, like educating the different stakeholders, educating all the administrator, all the, there should be a cross collaborative effort of different ministry. Then like you can see the nowadays the different Special Olympics, Paralympics, all these things are coming. What are these? They are giving opportunity for their potential to come out where they can be successful in the life. So I feel education is very pivotal, and through the teacher training, through creating awareness by training, and educating the children with disability, we can achieve total inclusion.
Amazing, ma'am. Can you give me an important message for our viewers?
Yeah.
क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे? हमारे पेरेंट्स देख रहे हैं, प्रोफेशनल्स देख रहे हैं, तो आपके पास क्या मैसेज है उनके लिए? आप क्या मैसेज देंगे?
Like main message is like for Indian population, for parents and all. First of all, though, we must accept the diversity, and we must celebrate the diversity. सब लोग अलग अलग हैं, but हम mindset हमारा ऐसा हो, it is not that somebody will teach you. And जब हम ये जो right attitude develop करना है, right attitude is not based on sympathy. आप आजकल अगर देखोगे तो मतलब बहुत सारा ऐसा होता है कि they come forward to support these people, but the inherent is the sympathy. There should be empathetically right attitude, and we should accept the diversity, celebrate the diversity. And for the parents, I must tell that they should have all patience, strength, and they should access all the available supports given by Indian government, and they should fight for the rights of the children with disability.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your precious knowledge. हमारे definitely हमारे parents को इससे बहुत information मिली है और बहुत सारी जानकारी मिली. Thank you so much.
Thank you.